The Comprehensive Guide to a Vegetarian Diet. Benefits, nutritional considerations, and how to get started. The vegetarian diet has gained immense popularity due to its potential health benefits, ethical considerations, and environmental impact. Whether you're considering transitioning to a vegetarian lifestyle or simply exploring the dietary choice, this guide will provide a detailed overview of what a vegetarian diet entails, its advantages, nutritional aspects, and tips on making the switch successfully. Understanding the vegetarian diet. A vegetarian diet primarily consists of plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The primary distinction of a vegetarian diet is the exclusion of meat, poultry, and fish. However, within the vegetarian community, there are several variations based on the inclusion or exclusion of other animal products. Lacto-vegetarian includes dairy products but excludes eggs, meat, and fish. Ovo-vegetarian includes eggs but excludes dairy products, meat, and fish. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian includes dairy products and eggs but excludes meat and fish. Vegan excludes all animal products, including dairy, eggs, and honey. The health benefits of a vegetarian diet. Lower risk of chronic diseases. Research indicates that a well-planned vegetarian diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. The high intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to overall health and longevity. Weight management. Many individuals adopt a vegetarian diet for its potential for weight management. Plant-based diets are generally lower in calories and saturated fats while being rich in fiber, which promotes a feeling of fullness and can help prevent overeating. Studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have lower body mass indexes, BMIs, compared to non-vegetarians. Improved digestive health. Fiber-rich foods such as legumes, whole grains, and vegetables, which are staples of a vegetarian diet, support healthy digestion and help prevent constipation. A diet high in fiber also promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. Ethical and environmental considerations. For many, the decision to follow a vegetarian diet is driven by concerns about animal welfare and the environmental impact of meat production. Reducing meat consumption can lower your carbon footprint and contribute to more sustainable food systems. Nutritional considerations in a vegetarian diet. Protein sources. One common concern about a vegetarian diet is whether it provides adequate protein. While meat is a primary source of protein in many diets, numerous plant-based protein sources can meet your needs, including legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, tofu and tempeh quinoa and amaranth. Dairy products and eggs. For lacto-ovo vegetarians, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and DNA and red blood cell production. Since it is primarily found in animal products, vegetarians, especially vegans, need to ensure they are getting enough B12 through fortified foods or supplements. Iron. Iron is crucial for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. While plant-based sources of iron, such as spinach, lentils, and pumpkin seeds, are available, they are less readily absorbed by the body than iron from meat. Consuming these foods with vitamin C-rich foods, like citrus fruits or bell peppers, can enhance iron absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart and brain health. While fish is a common source, vegetarians can obtain omega-3s from flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds. Algal oil supplements are another option, especially for vegans. Calcium and vitamin D. For those who do not consume dairy, getting enough calcium and vitamin D is crucial for bone health. Fortified plant milk, such as almond, soy, or oat, leafy greens, tofu, and fortified orange juice can help meet these needs. Additionally, spending time in sunlight or taking a vitamin D supplement can support adequate levels. How to transition to a vegetarian diet. Start gradually. If you're new to a vegetarian diet, consider gradually incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine. You might begin with meatless Mondays or by replacing meat with plant-based alternatives in familiar dishes. Experiment with new foods and recipes. One of the joys of a vegetarian diet is the opportunity to explore various foods and cuisines. Experiment with different grains, legumes, and vegetables, and try new recipes to keep your meals exciting and satisfying. Plan balanced meals. Ensure your meals are nutritionally balanced by including various protein sources, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods. A well-planned vegetarian diet can meet all your nutritional needs when done thoughtfully. Stay informed. Continue educating yourself about vegetarian nutrition to ensure you're meeting your dietary needs. Resources such as nutrition guides, vegetarian cookbooks, and online communities can provide valuable support and inspiration. Conclusion: a vegetarian diet can offer numerous health benefits, support ethical and environmental causes, and introduce you to a world of delicious, plant-based foods. By understanding the nutritional considerations and making thoughtful choices, you can enjoy a balanced and fulfilling vegetarian lifestyle.